Hi guys, welcome back to 60 Seconds with Simar. Today I'm reading Stories for South Asian Supergirls. This book is about South Asian women who are inspirational. This book includes women like Shabana Azmi, who is a famous actress, Neelam Gill, who's a famous supermodel. Also, Maharani Jin Kaur, who was wife of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Today I'm going to read about Lily Singh because she's similar to what we're doing on SIP TV. Lily Singh is a famous YouTuber. She started with small, funny videos, but now she has over 3 billion viewers on YouTube. She does not only have a YouTube channel, but now she has her own talk show and raises money for charity. I really recommend this book because it's really inspirational for girls and women out there. What I really love about this book is that the author left a space for me to do my story and my portrait when I grow up. I hope you're all feeling inspired. See you next week. Bye!